This is a feature highlight video for some new features we shipped related to Markdown. The first thing to note is that the existing scope, which is called block, is quite useful in Markdown. So let's take a look at that one. Take block curve pit, swap block fox bat with blue X each. Nope. Move block eyeball look after fox bat. Nope. Drowse. Okay, so that's block. It's a pretty useful scope type in other places, especially useful in Markdown. Let's look at another scope type. Name refers to the name of the section that you're in. So let's take a look at that. Clear name. Nope. Drowse. So that's how you can change the name of the section. So, you know, that's a really nice one to chain. Clear name sense. This is the new title of our section. Drowse. So that's name. Of course, you can use that just like any other scope type. So we can say, for example, swap name with curve made. Tug. Swap name with curve made. Nope. Drowse. So you saw me hit a bug there where Cursorless is currently doesn't like when you're at the end of a scope. That's very much on our list to fix, so hopefully we'll fix that one soon. But it's worth being aware of. The trick is to just move back one character for now. So another scope type which we have is item. So for example, I can say clear item bolt quench. Nope. Carve item star quench. Nope. Drowse. So you can see one thing about item there is that Cursorless today is not great about dealing with lines. So you notice it didn't fully remove the line. That's another thing we're going to fix. For now, a workaround is you can say line item. So you can combine line and block with other scope types. So for example, if I wanted to say move this item after that item, right? I can say line item. So for example, move line item star quench after star bat. Drowse. So that expands to the item and then expands to the line. In the future, you'll just be able to say item, but nice workaround for now. You can use that with statements. You can say line, state, etc. There's also a list scope type. So I can say, for example, take list star spun. Drowse. That's just the normal list scope type, and now applies to Markdown lists. And then, so those are repurposing existing ones. And then we added one new one, which is section, right? So I can now just say carve section. Nope. Chuck section yellow drum. Nope. Swap section with yellow drum. Nope. Drowse. And one cool thing about section is that it is smart enough to understand and respect the Markdown section hierarchy. So, for example, if I refer to something in, let's say, in the first paragraph, take blue box oats. Drowse. So let's say I'm here. If I say section, it will include all of the level 2 sections up until the next level 1 section, right? So I can say, for example, carve section. Drowse. And you can see there that it stopped at the next level 1 section. We have experimental scope types for specifying the level of the section, right? So you notice here that I said, nope. Take box trap. Clear section. Nope. Drowse. So you can see it expands to the nearest containing section, no matter what level it is. But we have experimental scope types, which are currently disabled by default. If you want to enable them, they're in your customization CSVs, but we have ones to say, actually, I want to leapfrog to the level 1 section, right? So you can say, like, clear 1 section here, and that will expand here. We haven't quite figured out a good term for them. That is why they're experimental. So if you have ideas, please comment. Turn them on if you find yourself wanting to leapfrog this and like select a level 1 section rather than just the nearest containing section. So yeah, that's new Markdown scope types. I'll do another video which really focuses on actually using Cursorless from Markdown. It's something people have requested, but I just wanted to drop a feature highlight video. This is new, so it was shipped in the past couple weeks. If these aren't working for you, make sure to update your Cursorless both Talon and extension side. Thanks so much for watching. Happy coding. Record stop.